To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today I am taking your topic models. First of all, we have to know in usage of models, very important point to be understood is that models are not affected by any subject. The model will be the same with singular or with plural number subject. In the opening, I am taking your will. Will is a model. Where is will used? It is to be known. I am giving you a formula. We have to learn this particular formula, and based on this formula, we have to use will. Formula is CPTWD. CPTWD. Now we have to understand what is this. C for certainty, P for promise, T for threat, W for willingness, D for determination. Like this, we have to know the meaning of these abbreviations CPTWD. Where is will used? There are two persons, I and we. These are in first person. With these two persons, I and we have to use will. There are also second person, third person, but let it be known that we have to use will with I and we. In these conditions, CPTWD. Showing certainty. For example, I'll go to Agra today. I'll go to Agra today. With I am using will. I'll go to Agra today. Means this program is certain program. And we'll complete our work by tomorrow. Means there is certainty. And P for promise. I'll offer a rich gift on your birthday. With I am using will. Means in condition showing promise. We may use will with we. We will help you in completing your work. This is also a promise. Now third, that is T. T for threat. If first person is giving threat to anyone, then there will be use of will. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll kill you means threat. Next one, W for willingness. Willingness means at my sweet will. For example, I'll arrange the room for the meeting. Means it is my willingness. We'll arrange the playground for games and sports competitions. Means willingness. And last one is D for determination. Form determination. I'll secure 97% marks in coming examination. Determination. We will work hard to get very good success in the examination. Determination. Let's know in conditions C, P, T, W, D, C for certainty, P for promise, T for threat, W for willingness, and D for determination. We have to use will with first person I and we. Now the same thing is with shall. C, P, T, W, D, but the use of shall will be with third person, with second person, not with first person. We may take the same examples with second person and third person. Again CPTWD, in these conditions with third person and second person we have to use shall. I think you have understood the use of will along with the use of shall. Thank you very much.